doing this for 10 years, there's lots of pitfalls along the way. There's lots of packaging pitfalls as far as size, logo location, colors, things of that nature.
Learning like we have over the last 10 years of what not to do. We've taken that education, which education's really expensive when you're learning in business and you make a lot of pitfalls, and we've already worked through all those.
It used to be back in the day that a manufacturer would handle all aspects of that supply chain, from bringing it in, manufacturing it, and shipping it.
That's going to come with a lot of things like rent and utilities. You've got employees, you've got insurance, you've got all kinds of other ancillary fees and expenses that if you really break it down, get pretty expensive.
A lot of companies will look to outsource, either A, when things maybe become a little too overwhelming, their volume becomes too big, and it just makes sense at that point to look for a third-party provider to handle the receiving, the trucking, the inbound, the outbound, the kitting, the packaging.
As companies move to the 3PL operation, you become a department of that company or of that client. You take a lot of ownership in what you're trying to accomplish with them. It becomes personal for you because you operate and act as if you were that company.
Each individual client that we sit down with to discuss doing fulfillment for, we tailor our costs, our fees, our services around that individual client. Nothing that we do here is cookie cutter. Every client that we deal with is a customized individual quote based on specific needs, specific wants, not only for the customer's needs, but product needs, shipment needs, tracking needs, reporting needs, and really everything in between.
We can tailor whatever is needed for that client around whatever it is they need for their customers. Whether it be pallet in, pallet out, whether it be some kitting, whether it be assemblies, whether it be inventory management, whether it be bulk storage, anything that client needs to better service their clients, we can provide, and we can tailor a solution to whatever it is they need.
Typically, once we have your data, we'll receive that, we'll import that into our system. That generally takes around a day or two. Once your data is in our system, the day that we receive your product, we can start shipping orders the same day.
It's the last piece of the puzzle. They've had a good experience on their website, they've had a good experience ordering it, they've had a good experience with their customer service. Now they're going to get a good experience in actually getting the product in a timely and accurate fashion from us.
By coming on board with Product Fulfillment Solutions, we've got a well-oiled machine already ready to go, turnkey, where you can within a few days start fulfilling your orders with us versus having to reinvent the wheel yourself and really build all of this on your own.